Okay, so yeah, if you have any comments or questions, yeah. Oh, if you have Twitter, oh yeah, yes,
Hi.
Rob,
Yes, good morning. Thanks for your presentation.
you're welcome.
You mentioned Flipgrid, and I use Flipgrid a lot as well, and it's a very useful tool. And you mentioned in Flipgrid how you can prevent students from seeing the other videos. The only way I know to do that is through the video moderation feature. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can turn on and off the video moderation feature. There's another thing you can do is each student, if you use Flipgrid, you can see that little square thing beside their name, and it says active. You can
Mm-hmm.
put that to hidden,
Right.
and then if you want to hide some students and then show some students, you can do that individually.
Mm-hmm.
The
Thank you.
the video moderation is like generally the whole topic won't be seen unless you release it.
Right. Gotcha. Thank you.
Yes, I hope that's helpful. Anyone else? Oh, okay. Now go.
So do you still like Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom?
Ooh, the big debate. Okay. um hmm. I have a love-hate relationship with both. So for one university, I use Google Classroom. And another thing that I like about it, it automatically computes the grades. If it is a paid for account by your university. If not, it doesn't. I don't know if that's just me. But however, with Microsoft Teams, it's fairly easy to use Excel to compute everything. There's that one extra step of dumping everything on an Excel file and then just putting the, whatever formula you use for getting the grades, and then it does that exactly. So I think I would prefer Microsoft Forms only because Microsoft Teams only because I've been using it way more than I've been using Google Classroom. But Nauko actually taught me about Google Classroom, so credit where credit is due. And but I'm really learning a lot, and I'm using Google Classroom for one of my universities. It's going very well. Thank you. Anybody use Bitmoji? Did you notice how much I like Bitmoji? All my presentations have a Bitmoji overload. I apologize. So,
Do you encourage your students to use Bitmoji?
yeah, I tried. It was a bit late in the semester when I started using it. So I'm gonna try and have them do like create their own avatars when they do presentation. A lot of them don't like using their faces. A lot of them don't even want to show their face. I have that big problem on Flipgrid where I look at blank walls when they speak. They just point the camera at the blank wall and then they read the poem. So it's a bit annoying. So yeah, I would like to encourage students to use that, but I haven't done that this semester yet.
Yeah, I've also had a little bit of pushback against Flipgrid. Students say they're embarrassed to make videos or they don't want to put their face on the camera or something like that. And so I always tell them it's supposed to be like a substitute for a face-to-face class, and in a face-to-face situation, you would be showing your face anyway.
Yeah, I tell them that as well. And also I tell them that I actually tell them nobody else is gonna see this except me, and I'm gonna have to see this to give you a grade, and then I see all their faces. But if it's an activity that require they see each other and they post comments, there was a recent update on Flipgrid that you can now have like text comments instead of before you could only do a video comment. Now you can do a text comment. So one of the activities I did is I told the students at the beginning, everybody will see your faces because this is like a classroom. You're not going to go in class with a smiley face mask on your face, will you? And then they was like, ah. and
Actually,
so
they might now. We
they
will have to
might
wear
with a
masks.
mask, yeah. So I told them that I'm gonna open that to everybody, and they have to comment with one or two completely correct grammar sentences. They have to make comment, and then I'm gonna give them points for both the writing and their video. And they did that. Actually, it was a bit difficult to check at the end of the day, but it was I think they had fun doing that. Also with Flipgrid, let me add, as preparation, as a suggestion for teachers to prepare, you can put a rubric on Flipgrid. You can and you can assign points. So my rubric, I usually have content if they follow the topic, and then I have video if the video is not sideways or upside down. Then I have audio if there's no background, there's no loud barking noises at the end. And then there's also a special point for doing an additional challenge. Like last Halloween, I gave them additional challenge, make your video Halloween themed. The theme wasn't Halloween. The topic was not Halloween. But I told them, make your video Halloween theme if you want the additional challenge point. And they did. One guy showed up in a full military costume. I don't know where he got it. I go like, dude, seriously, but okay. And he had like a plastic gun. He said that I am a soldier today and let me talk to you about nouns. And it was funny, but it was fun. So yeah, those are fun things about Flipgrid.
Thanks, Abby. Well, unless there are any other questions or comments, I'd like to bring the session to a close.
Thank you.
Sorry, I
thanking-
do have one more question.
Sorry, Rob, go ahead.
Yeah, just really quick. So in your universities, are you fully online right now?
Most of my universities gave the teachers a choice to be online or face-to-face. I chose everything online.
Mhm.
So now, at least for me and a lot of the other teachers, we're all fully online.
Okay, thank you. I don't want to open this can of worms because we could talk about this for a long time. But
I know. I can go to Hangouts if you guys want to chat.
Okay, thanks, Rob. Thanks, Abby, very much. Really
Thank you.
appreciate that. It was great. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. I wasn't alone. Yay. Thank you. Bye.